Are you looking to build powerful, scalable web applications for your assignments? In today's video, I'll show you how Node.js makes it simple to create fast, reliable, and modern web apps that can handle thousands of users at once. Node.js is one of the most popular platforms for web development because it's lightweight, efficient, and built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. What makes it special is its event-driven, non-blocking architecture, which means your applications can scale effortlessly, perfect for real-world projects and academic assignments. To get started, all you need is Node.js installed on your system. Then, create a project folder, run npm init, and install express.js, a powerful framework for building web apps. With just a few lines of code, you can set up your first server that responds to requests instantly. Now here's where scalability comes in. With Node.js, you can use load balancing, clustering, and database integration to handle heavy traffic. For example, by using MongoDB or MySQL, you can easily manage large datasets while ensuring performance stays smooth. So whether you're working on an assignment or planning a real-world project, Node.js is your go-to tool for building dynamic, scalable web applications. Start small, practice coding, and gradually add more advanced features like APIs, authentication, and real-time updates. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more assignment-focused tech tutorials.